Are you looking for best shower doors on the market? Look no further. In this video, we will be discussing the top 5 best shower doors. These shower doors are top of the line and are sure to meet your needs and expectations. So, without further ado, let's get started with the list. List number: Basco Rotolo Sliding Shower Door. The Biscayne series of shower doors are sure to please, as they offer a unique modern design that features splayed ribs and a bright, clear background to showcase your shower space. This sliding door provides the ultimate in space-saving convenience with an optional push button and balanced glide system that allows for full wood panel coverage or a walk-through area. For additional convenience, you can also opt for a built-in look with our integral removable access panel. The door sits flush with the edges of your enclosure, even when it's open, making it ideal for use in small bathrooms where space is at a premium. The 1/4 inch thick clear glass provides a polished look to showcase your bathroom. Overall length is 70 inches tall, and the glass panels measure 30.5 inches wide, with a walk-through area of 23.9375 to 27.9375 inches wide. It is designed with a dual bypass, semi-frameless rolling door with a polished, contemporary design that makes it easier than ever to make your shower room beautiful. List number: Vigo Adjustable Frameless Sliding Rectangle Shower Door. The Vigo Adjustable 56 to 60 inches wide by 74 inches high, frameless sliding rectangle shower door offers a sleek look at an affordable cost without sacrificing quality and construction. The leak-free design with a metal threshold on shower doors prevents water leaks and keeps your bathroom floors dry. Left or right side opening provides versatility for various bathroom floor plans. The flex sizing allows 4 inches of horizontal adjustability during installation to ensure this shower door fits your space. All parts and mounting hardware are included in the packaging, offering a lifetime of stability while fully supporting wall anchoring. The roller disc feature provides up to 3 8/2 inches of adjustability to accommodate out-of-plumb walls. Features 4 inches of horizontal adjustability during installation, making it suitable for various bathroom floors. This frameless shower door offers a tight seal and the convenience of rollers or track steering to direct water flow in multiple directions. Drive-through features make it easy to install, while being durable enough to provide you with years of flexible use. List number: Dreamline SHDR Enigma Air Frameless Sliding Glass Shower Door. The Dreamline SHDR Enigma Shower Door is a fully frameless shower door that offers all the versatility and functionality of sliding glass doors without the added expense of installation. The clear tempered glass features an anti-splash threshold to prevent leaks. Dreamline's Enigma Shower Door is designed for those who have a shower that takes up the entire bathroom or a small shower head and are looking for a new way of maximizing space. The Enigma features premium 3/8 inches, 10 mm, thick ANSI certified clear tempered glass and an elegant brushed stainless steel finish. It is fully frameless, which not only maximizes interior space, but also creates a beautiful look when installed. The Dreamline Enigma also includes our patented 3 4/2 20 mm premium hardware made with 60% thicker metal than most standard hardware, so that it has more strength to accommodate the weight of the door. List number: Dreamline Infinity Semi-Frameless Sliding Shower Door. Dreamline Infinity Z Shower Door is a sleek, modern, and durable semi-frame design that gives your bathroom a more open look. The unique construction provides your shower a completely smooth surface with no visible joints or frames for an elegant finish. The shower door can be fully customized to create multiple designs in just minutes via its easy swing-out system. The door has a visually stunning glass panel so you can see the magical effect of rain or steam showering right before your eyes. Dreamline Infinity Z Semi-Frameless Sliding Shower Door is available in 2 sizes that are perfect for small to large bathrooms. It installs quickly and easily with no mounting or drilling required, and the semi-frameless design catches all the water and reduces bathroom moisture. Dreamline Infinity Z features a contemporary design that's ideal for any bathroom decor style, while providing excellent user experience and a durable, waterproof barrier. List number 5. Dreamline Flex Semi-Frameless Pivot Shower Door in Chrome. Go from remodeling your shower to redesigning your bathroom with the Dreamline Flex Semi-Frameless Pivot Shower Door in Chrome. Semi-frameless white Dreamline Flex Pivot Shower Door offers an exceptional point of view and unique functionality. Its semi-frameless glass frame design will fit any shower space, resulting in a stylish yet practical addition to your bathroom. The 1/2-inch thick certified clear tempered glass provides ample protection from impacts and excellent security against scratches. Designed for durability, the brass pivots are custom designed for a firm but smooth pivot movement and tested to withstand regular use. The magnetic door latch ensures that the watertight closure stays securely locked in place throughout the duration of its use. The door also has a reversible option that provides right or left door opening installation, as well as solid brass pivots that provide durability and luxury, while anodized aluminum wall profiles are 1/4 inch thick certified clear tempered glass.